what you do, and it will never be a dry and a boring work, but it will turn into the passion of your life. There is no better time than now to pursue your passion. We, the students of Class 5G, are going to present the assembly on the topic Chase Your Passion. Before going deeper into the topic, let us invoke the blessings of Almighty God through a prayer dance.
ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ. ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ. കഥന നിവാരണ കനിവിൻ ഉറവേ കാട്ടിൻ നടുവിൽ വഴി തെളിക്കൂ. ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ. ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ.
Passion is the energy that keeps us going, that keeps us filled with meaning, happiness, excitement, and anticipation. Passion is a powerful force in accomplishing anything you set your mind to and experiencing life to the fullest extent possible. Let us see what our friends are passionate about.
I dream my painting, then I paint my dream. I have a passion for art. Art is freedom because art has no rules.
A picture is a poem without words, and this world is a canvas to our imagination.
passion. Without music, life is a journey through a desert. If music is a disease, I promise I am infected by it.
Life is like a flute. It may have many holes and emptiness, but if you work on it carefully, it can play magical melodies. Let us listen to a melodious song.
പുഴയുടെ തീരത്തൊരു ത്രാടരാടി വിസ്മയമോടെ ഞാൻ നിന്നു. പുഴയുടെ തീരത്തൊരു ത്രാടരാടി വിസ്മയമോടെ ഞാൻ നിന്നു. പുഴയിലൊരാകാശം കണ്ടു, മേലെ വാനിൽ പാൽപ്പുഴ കണ്ടു. തുഴയാതെ ഒഴുകി വരും തിരുവോണത്തോണികൾ കണ്ടു. തിരുവോണത്തോണികൾ കണ്ടു. പുഴയുടെ തീരത്തൊരു ത്രാടരാവിൽ വിസ്മയമോടെ ഞാൻ നിന്നു.
Passion is an emotional word. What is passion exactly? Passion is a force, sometimes an uncontrollable force, that infuses our life with meaning and joy. Passion is the fire that burns within us. Passion enables us to go places where others are afraid to go, to try out things where others are afraid to do, and to be a kind of people others are afraid to be. Passion creates the energy and drive required to do what others think is impossible. Let us meet our friends who are passionate about body workout.
Solidified. She would never cheat, you never see her with a different guy. Ever tell you different, then it's a lie. See, that's my down, she that's my soldier. She keeps that thing. If anyone goes there, calm and collected. She keeps her composure, and she gon' ride for me until this thing over. We do together, fuck crowds together. We won't go crazy if we was to sever, you know. We keep mobbing, it's just me and my the world. We just gon' keep getting rich, you know.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, never lie. You said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. It's all his head, all on my mind. Without that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I. In the end, it's him and I. Him and I. In the end, it's him and I. I hope that I do you, I never lie. For you, I take a life. It's him and I swear.
So in the end, I'ma ride with you, my
In the end, it's him and I. Him and I.
Now, let us meet some eminent personalities who followed their passion and became successful in their life. J.K. Rowling is passionate about writing, and because of her passion, she did not give up and she faced difficulties. Her passion acted as a fuel to her writing. And that's why she continued her writing despite being rejected 12 times before finally getting her first novel of the Harry Potter series published. Sachin Tendulkar is an exemplary sportsman whose talent, attitude, hunger to win, and undying passion helped him create several records and made him a legendary figure in cricket.
Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Alphabet and Google, once said, "I do think it's important to follow your dreams and do something which you are excited by. If you follow your heart and do what you like, you will always do much better. It doesn't matter what your educational qualification is."
So, ultimately, passion is the driving force behind success and happiness. It allows us all to live in better lives. So, follow your passion and success will follow you, because people with great passion can make the impossible happen. Thank you.